Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Rico for his question. The Ministry for Employment has a unit called the Standards and Compliance Arm, and the responsibility of this unit is to make sure that the requirements of the Employment Relations Act and also the wage regulations that govern the hotel and catering sector are complied with. So if there are any complaints about people feeling that anything to do with their wages or annual holiday or sick leave pay or overtime pay is not been paid, it is this unit that goes out and deals with the complaints. And over the period that has been, the Honourable Member has asked this question for, about the period from 2015 to 2018, from this sector we've had around 854 complaints. And the unit has been addressing this. Investigations are carried out. Some of those investigations have led to money being recovered over the 3-year period to the tune of more than $48,000. And this money is then transferred into the accounts of the workers responsible through electronic fund transfers. And 5% of the payments are done through checks, but most of the money now is being deposited directly into the account. So the short answer to the question, for this very important sector for Fiji, we treat it as all the other sectors. We have a department that investigates and tries to make sure that money that needs to go to the workers goes back to them. If there are some cases from this period where we have not been able to complete the investigations and investigations continue, employers have to provide the data, wage records and so forth. These are scrutinized, and should our ministry not be able to get if it is found that the money has to be paid to the workers, we try to recover that money. If not, it goes up to the Employment Relations Tribunal, which then comes up with a decision that the employer has to comply with. So those are some of the measures that are undertaken by the ministry in relation to the hotel and catering sector, just as it would for any other sector. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.